Alright, here's a quick composting test. I've got 2 pumpkins and some leftover food scraps, all going straight into the pile. No turning, no mixing, just letting the nature do its thing. Let's see what happens after about a week. And this is what happened to the 2 pumpkins that I put into the compost bin last week. It was exactly a week ago, about a week ago. And as you see, they're almost gone. Amazing. This is compost at work, basically. You don't have to do much, just put it in, make sure that there is no bottom, and all those insects will come in and do the job for you. Next week, I'm sure this will all be gone.